Hello students, so today in this video we are going to study about the asexual reproduction in bacteria. Now class, if you remember, this is nucleus, okay? This is your nucleus, bacterial genetic material also known as genophore. And if you remember this structure, this is a mesosome which is helping in the DNA replication. So bacteria will go for binary fission under favorable condition. Now see, binary fission is amitotic type. Amitotic means it is not making use of any spindle apparatus. So is it clear? It is amitotic type. So amitotic means your spindle fibers are not used. Now see, bacterial binary fission is a three-step process. Your first step is replication of DNA. Second step is your mesosome division and membrane formation. And third step is cross-wall formation. So we'll be studying one by one each and every step. So first step is DNA replication. So here we are going to study the DNA replication of prokaryote. If you know, in case of prokaryote, DNA is circular, which is double strand, and the two strands, circular strands of the DNA, they separate. And at one stage it comes that the replicating chromosome appears like a theta. Okay, so it gives an appearance of theta-like structure. So we say it is a theta model of DNA replication. And this theta model of DNA replication was suggested by Cairns. So it is also known as Cairns theta model. You can understand the diagram this way. See here, let us assume this is the two strands of DNA. This is a one strand and this is a second strand. Okay, I'm using the black color to this thing. And they are having the single ori site. This is the single ori site from where the replication is to start. Okay, the replication always starts from the ori site. Ori site means it is an origin of replication. Now let us assume that two strands of the DNA, they are separated this way. Okay, and the daughter DNA means binary fission is going in this way, both direction. So slowly what will happen? Slowly you just try to understand the diagram. Slowly what will happen? See the board. This will start going for this side. And this will start going for this side. So this is the way how the replication is going on. Isn't it giving an appearance of theta? That is why we call it as theta model of DNA replication. It was observed by Cairns, so we call it as Cairns theta model of DNA replication. So I hope the first step is clear. By this diagram, it is also clear in case of prokaryote, it is bidirectional replication. It is bidirectional DNA replication. Now see the second step. In the second step, if you remember, it was mesosome division is going on. Mesosome division and membrane formation. So if you see here in this diagram, you can see here furrow formation has started. Mesosomes have divided and they have separated, and here new cell wall is formation started. See this arrow? This is your new cell wall formation has started. Mesosomes is dividing. Because why the mesosome is dividing? Because of the synthesis of new membrane in between. As a result, the two mesosomes are moving apart. See, this side is moving apart and this side is moving apart, carrying their own DNA. And they are pushed away from the middle. Now, one chromosome is attached to each mesosome, so two daughter DNA get, as a result, properly equally distributed. Now the third step of binary fission is the cross-wall formation. See the diagram carefully. Now you can see the cross-wall formation is getting completed. Okay, so this is your double cross-wall formed. And the two mesosomes, this one mesosome, okay, and this mesosome, they have moved apart by taking their own genetic material. So if you see a peripheral ring of the plasma membrane, which was invaginating, now continues to grow, and finally the two cells are separated and the two daughter cells are produced. And see one thing here, the septa wall formation and the invagination, both are going side by side. Now if you see, these are the two daughter cells which are produced. Okay, so daughter cells are achieved and they are having the equal number of the genetic material without making spindle apparatus. Equal distribution of the chromosome is achieved without making use of spindle apparatus. So we call this division as amitotic division and binary fission. Now see, this is entire summary is given here. So this was your first step of the binary fission, which was DNA replication. Okay, so this is also in the first step part only. So this was sequence. The DNA replication started, going to achieve, and this is the second step in which the mesosome division and cross-wall formation is also started simultaneously. So after this process, then this process will come, and then cross-wall formation is going on, and as a result, the product is two daughter cells are produced. Okay, so these are the two daughter cells which are produced. I hope this diagram is helping you to learn the sequence. And this is a complete summary of the binary fission which we discussed it. Now see, this is one question is there. Suppose we are giving this question, the bacterial cell divide every 1 minute. So it means generation time is 1 minute. Okay, and it is taking 15 minutes to fill 1/4 cup. So how much time will it take to fill the cup? These are the options given to you. Try to solve it. I'm just waiting for 2 minutes. Try to solve. Now see the solution. If you know your cup was 1/4 filled, okay, this was 1/4 filled in the 15 minute. Obviously, it will be half filled in the next 1 minute, and it will be full filled in the next 1 minute. So it means your answer will go which option? Your answer will go fourth option. I hope this practice session will also help you to learn the topic properly along with the explanation. Keep watching. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Thanks class for watching.
If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.